first thing we're going to do is cut out our placement card. The best way to do this is to fold it in half, and we want to put this centre crease folded perfectly. And then we're going to cut out these two centre sections with our paper scissors. And now we're going to cut out the letters for the word that we're going to put onto the bag. So I'm going to do exactly the same, just cut out the letters, and then we'll be ready to transfer them onto the fabric. So I've cut out my letters that I want to put onto the bag, and now I'm going to transfer them onto the Liberty Tana lawn. So we're going to work backwards, because I'll show you later, but it will make sense. I'm going to take the L, and this is again, this is backwards. I put them quite close together because then I can get more letters out of the fabric. So now we're going to cut out our letters from the fabric. So if you find it fiddly, I would cut one letter off and just focus on that one. So I find when I do circular letters, or if I just gently close the scissors and actually pivot the fabric through the scissors, end up with a much smoother edge. There we go. And now to get the centre out of your letter, I'm going to show you a method that you need to be careful with, because otherwise you could poke your finger. You can do this with nail scissors or with an old pair of embroidery scissors, which are really fine tipped. The method I use is to poke this seam ripper through. It's how buttonholes are done. So if you're not confident with this, I would place this down on a chopping board, on a wooden board, and push this through. So I'm holding the letter between my middle finger and my thumb with the hole well away from any finger, and then I'm going to push this through the edge so it's well away from my finger. And then, so this is vertical, and if you tilt it to the right or to the left if you're left-handed, and then gently ease around, it cuts through both the paper and the fabric really smoothly. And I just take it a little bit at a time. And nice and easy. So all my letters are cut out now, and I'm going to peel the backing off the Liberty Tana lawn. So the easiest way I found to do this is to fold the fabric side over to the paper side, and then it kind of pops off, and then peel. Lovely. So now we are ready to put it onto the bag.